A very good morning, students. I am your biology mom. I am going to deal with our biology for another year. Okay, I am myself as Aragini. We all welcome to this biology class. The first thing, what we have to study about the biology. First, in a biology are related to your a lifestyle. Okay, ma. In your day-to-day life, without biology, there are not anything would be happen in your life. All the things will be happen because of that biology. For an example, when you wake up at the morning, because if your body functions, they are help to coordinate your day-to-day life activity. That is also involvement of a biology. And next, if you are eating something, they are having some nutritional quantities for needed in your purpose in your proper diet. That is also a biology. So, a biology play a major role in a day-to-day activity. Okay, so in this class, first you have to know that what is the meaning of a biology. Next, we have to see that what is the branches of biology in that. These of branches of biology. They are having nearly 18 branches of biology. Okay, they are having a separate course also. If you are going to the higher studies, they are having a separate courses for their biology. Not only for biology, they are having a cell biology, microbiology, biotechnology, immunology, ethnobotany, like that. They are having a nearly 18 branches of biology. Okay, first you have to know that what is the meaning of it. Bio, which means life. Here logy, which means study. So the name itself having a meaning now. A study of life. Here a life. A life is not only exist in the environment. They are involvement of also a non-living. A life is not living. So here a living or depend on the non-living. What they are non-living here said? Water and air and soil, that is also a non-living. Okay, so a life, that is the living things are depend on the non-living things. So without non-living, they are can't exist in the earth. Okay, ma. Here majorly a biology deals with the first three. Okay, first I have to see that one by one. First, the branch of a biology, that is a zoology. What is the first one? Zoology. Here a zoo, which mean animal. Logy, which means a study. Now I have to say that what is a zoology? To study about the animal. Okay, and next one, next branch of biology, botany. Here a botany to study about the plant body. To study about the plant. Okay, this is the what? Botany. And next branch of biology, we are having microbiology. Microbiology. Here we already said that to study about the life. Here a micro, it is in the form of a small. Unicellular, we say no, not only a unicellular, they are having a macrobiology also. Okay, they are having a multicellular, and here they are having a microbiology. And next, a major branch of biology is anatomy. What do you have to hear about the anatomy for a previous class? Anatomy means to study about the internal structure, right? Here anatomy, the name itself having a meaning for an anatomy. Anna. Okay, ma, let me take that Anna. Next, Tommy, let me take a Tom. Here Anna, which mean up. Here Tom, which mean cutting. Here now I have to say that cutting up. What have to cutting up? In that animal body or a plant body. Okay, to cutting up. Cut pannala enna agum? You have to show that appeared of an internal structures, right? When you are cutting up that some animals, you have to see their internal structures, internal organs. So that is the what study about the internal organ in that cutting up. Okay, this is the cutting up, that is the anatomy. Okay, and next one we are having the morphology. What is the next branch? Morphology. Here a morphology, morpha. Okay, that means structure. Logy, which means study. So morphology, to study about the structure of an animal. They are having a usually external structure and internal structure. So that they are having a external morphology and internal morphology also. External and internal morphology. Okay, my external morphology have to derive now how they are appeared like that. Okay, what they have to see that first animals how they are appeared. That is the external and internal cross section எடுத்து சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா they are having a this kind of a nerve cord, they are having a nervous system, they are having a reproductive system like this. And so only that is the what internal morphology. Okay ma. And next branch of an biology is a physiology. Here a physiology, physio which mean function, and logy which means study. Okay, now we have to say that to study about the function of an animals or a plant, anything. Animal or plant. So now we have to say that what is the physiology? To study about the functions of an animals or plant. So next branch of an biology is genetics. Here a genetics, that is the gene. Here what is the responsible for the gene? They are carrying the information from one generation to another generation. For an example, when someone is saying na, you are look like in a father, you are look like in a mother, your characters are to be resembling of your grandpa or grandma, like that. Because of the heredity, they are carrying the information from one generation to another generation through the genes. So study about the genes, that is the what? Genetics. Okay, so next branch of biology, we are having a pharmacology. Here a pharmacology, which means pharma, medicine. Logy, which means study. Here a study about the medicine, most of them are deals with the drugs. Here drugs, which mean they are help to cure the some diseases. Okay, if you are a cancer person or AIDS person, they are continuously taking a drugs, right? That is a medicine, right? So here pharmacology deals with the medicine. Okay, and next branch of biology, we are having the entomology. What is the next branch? Entomology. Here entomology, entomo, which means insect. That is a small insects. Logy, which means study. So here a study about the insect, that is the what? Entomology. Okay ma. And next branch of an biology, environmental biology. Here environmental biology, it is also known as an ecology. Here environment, which means they are presence of living and non-living also. Living and non-living, both of them are correlated. Each one, there is the flora and the fauna. Both of them are correlated, present in the environment. That is the environmental biology. And next one, they are having a cell biology. What is the next one? Cell biology. Here a cell biology. As you know that a cell is the basic structural and functional unit. Structural and functional unit of an organism. Without cell they are going to exist. Okay ma. Here a structural and functional, that is the basic units of an living things, that is the cell. So study about the cell, that called as a cell biology. Okay, and next one we are having the parasitology. Here a parasitology, which means parasites. Parasites, as you know that a parasites, for an example, leech. What is a leech? Leech, attapuchi solluvom illaya. What is the nature for that a parasite? Just they are attaching to the body of an host. They are taking a nutrition from that. That is the parasites. Logy, which means a study. Okay ma, to study about the parasite, they are given a name of parasitology. And next one they are having a biotechnology. Here a bio, we already said that what is a bio? That is a life. Using of a life things, they are prepared some, that is a manufacturing some products. Manufactures of some products using of a life things. Okay ma, that is the biotechnology. And next one they are having a immunology. Here immunology, which means to study about the immune system. Immune. Okay, logy, which means study. What they are going to study? Here to going to study about the immune system. Immune system na, that is the defense. What they are defense? Defense system சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, which means they are having an antigen and antibody in the cells which help to defend against some infections. For an example, when they are entering of pathogens in your body, just a defense mechanism fight against the infection to prevent from the diseases. Okay, there is the antigen and antibody main function. They are given under the givens of immune system. Okay, and next branch of biology we are having taxonomy. What is the next one? Taxonomy. Okay, here a taxonomy, taxa, which mean to study about the a scientific name. They are given a scientific name. For an example, here I am going to write a one common name for that, onion. Usually we call it as an onion. They are having a scientific name, that is the Allium cepa. This is the what ma? Scientific name of an onion. Okay, usually we are called as a common name as onion. Okay, here a scientific name based on the hierarchy of an organism. They are given a scientific name to the animals or a plants, anything. Okay, and next one, paleontology. Next branch of biology is paleontology. Here a paleontology, which mean paleon, which mean fossils. What is a paleons? A fossils, a logy, which mean a study. So to study about the fossil. Fossils na enadhu? Once they are dead organism, they are composed in the soil surface. Soil surface kulla composed aanadukku appo taken millions and millions of years. They are due to the high pressure. Okay, அங்கே air இருக்காது, water இருக்காது, எதுவுமே இருக்காது. Due to the high pressure, the dead organism are converted into a rock. A rock are converted ஆகும். That is the what they called as a fossil. Okay, so that's it for an paleontology. And next one we are having the histology. What is the next branch of biology? Histology. Okay, here histology, which mean tissues. Okay, to study about the tissues. We already said that to study about the cell, that is the cell biology. Here histology, which mean to study about the tissues. Here usually they are having a three type of tissues. The first one is the smooth, and next one is the cardiac. This is the example to that. Okay, ma. Next one is the skeletal tissue. Here a first one. Sorry for that. First one, the smooth muscles. Usually smooth muscles are where it is present in your stomach. They are having a smooth muscles. And cardiac, they are presence of heart muscles. Okay, cardiology. So what is a cardiology? To study about the heart. That is the what? Cardiology. Appo cardiac muscles are present in the heart. And next one, skeletal muscle. If you see the skeletal, usually they are attaching of some bones. Right. See what ma? That is the skeletal muscles. Okay, so that's it for histology. And last one we are having the branch of biology is social biology. Social biology. Okay, here a human. Let me take a human. They are having one common name with the society. Social animals சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? Why they are called as here a social biology, which mean to study about the behavior. To study about the behavior of an animal or a human. To study about the behavior of animal or a human, so that they are called as a social biology. To study about the behavior, character பத்தி read பண்றதுனால யாரோடது அனிமல்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும் ஹியூமன்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும். ஸோ தட் இது given a name of social biology. So here that's it for a branch of a biology. What are the branches we are list out that? A first thing zoology, that is the first one. Say what? Zoology. And next one is the botany, and next one is the microbiology, and next one is the anatomy, and next one is the morphology. Okay, and next one is the physiology, and seventh one is the genetics, and eighth one is the pharmacology, and ninth one is the entomology, and next one is the environmental biology, and 11th one is the cell biology, and next one is the parasitology, and next one is the biotechnology. Okay ma, and next one is the immunology, and next one is the taxonomy. Sorry for that. 14, 15, and 16th one is paleontology, and next one is the histology, and last one is the social biology. Okay, so totally these are all the courses are a branch of biology. Okay, you are usually know that as zoology, botany, anatomy, morphology, physiology, genetics, entomology, that is rarely know that. Environmental biology you know very well about this, and biotechnology also, immunology, taxonomy, and histology, sociology. I think you are, this is a new term to you. Okay ma, so இதெல்லாம் என்னது a branch of biology. If you go for higher studies, if you go for higher study, there is a BSc, MSc இருக்குங்க இல்லையா, அப்போ செப்பரேட்டாக MSc biology, MSc zoology, MSc anatomy, physiology, genetics, entomology, environmental biology, cell biology, parasitology தனி கோர்ஸ் தான் இருக்குது. They are having a vast of a scope to that. Okay, எல்லாத்துக்குமே separate scopes இருக்கு. Okay, so that's it for just introduction class. This is an introduction class. We are a biology class. Okay, so tomorrow we have to see that a detailed explanation about the our topic. First thing, how many lessons are there? Just you have to see that one thing. How many lessons are present in our biology? Totally 8 lessons. Okay, first one is the animal kingdom. Okay ma, here are animal kingdom. What is an animal kingdom? Animal kingdom, which mean our animals are classified or a basis of their organization level. Just you have to see here. Here first one we are having the animal kingdom na. A basis of their classification, animals are divided vertebrate or invertebrate. Okay, that is a chordates. We say like vertebrate or invertebrate. Vertebrate, which mean they are having a notochord, and invertebrate, which mean they are not having any backbone to that. So here based on the animal classification, vertebrate, invertebrate, and not only that, based on the germ line, based on the symmetry, they are having a number of them. Okay, we will say discuss about detailing for their class in that next tomorrow class. Okay ma, and next one topic we are having the organization of tissue. This is the next lesson, organization of tissues. Here we already seen what is the study of a tissue, that is histology, we say tissue. Okay, here organization of tissue, how they are organizing tissue in your human body. For an example, just take a stomach, they are having a number of tissues to be there. If you are taking a digestive system, they are having a number of tissues to be there. They are having different shapes also. Some of them are linear, some of them are cuboidal, some of them are spherical in shape. Just like that, they are having a number of organizational tissues. And next one, they are having a plant physiology. Physiology. We already said that what is the physiology, to study about the functions. Here what we are going to study that? A plant today functions. Okay ma? And next topic, organ system in animal. Organ system. That is the what? Organ system. Organs are combined together to form a organ system. For example, one organ, stomach, that is the one organ, large intestine, one organ, small intestine, esophagus. Okay, இதெல்லாமே separate organ. When they are combined together to form a organ system, that is the digestive system. Here animals. Okay, and next topic, nutrition and health. Here nutrition and health. Nutrition. How you have to get the nutrition from the plant and animal. Some of the nutritions are called to prepare our body, so they are taken through the food items. So that is the nutrition and health. Here a world of microbes. We already said the microbiology, to study about the microorganism. Here a world of microbes, they are having a number of microorganisms, fungi, bacteria, like that. They are having some useful and there are some of the harmful also. Okay, and next economic biology. Here economic biology. Economic, which means a biology, a life that is invest for the economic purpose. For an example, you are adapt some cow. What is the purpose you are adapt? You are getting a milk to that. So that is also the economic purpose, right? So that is the what? Economic biology. And last one, we are having the environmental science. Here the environmental, they are correlation of both the living and non-living. Here environmental science, how they are living are depend on the non-living things. They are having basically they are having a water cycle. Okay, water cycle just evaporation of water to the atmosphere. They are again come back to the rains, right? Rain varudile appo adha saarnda yaar irukka, humans irukanga. So that is the what? Environmental science. We will discuss about it detailedly in that lesson topics. Okay ma, so that's it for today class. You have to note down all the keywords in your observation note. Okay student, thank you. We have to discuss about the tomorrow class. We are going to discuss about the animal kingdom for a detailing. I given an assignment to you for an animal kingdom. You just take in one paper, blank paper, just write an animal kingdom to the topic. The first topic, that is the first subtopic, you have to write the unicellular. And what are the unicellular? You know that, just write that more than 5. Okay ma. And next one, just write a multicellular. What are the multicellular animal? Just write that. And next topic, what are the invertebrate and vertebrate? Just write 4 topics. Okay ma. So that's it. That's a homework to you. So that's it for our today class. We have to see the detailed explanation about the animal kingdom in our next class. Okay, thank you student.